So manually adding 50 exam questions one by one into your app, that is not a workflow, that is punishment. In this very video, I'm going to show you how to build, bulk, generate and import hundreds of questions into Resultpilot, our school assessment app, using a Firebase service, account and a simple script. No clicking, no copying, just run the script and your questions are live in Firebase.
Alright, so Resultpilot is an exam automation platform for schools, and each exam has a subject and a questions and a pin for students to assess the problem. So creating a question manually, it can be very tedious. You need to go through put the question, the options and all of that. Doing this through the UI is very slow, so we need a way to push questions in bulk, and Firebase SDK is the answer. And to use it from a no script, you need a service account, which I cover fully in the previous video. I also link that in the description of this video. So let's get started how you get through with this process. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, you need to have CSV files of the questions you want to create, and it should follow a particular pattern. The question, 4 option and the correct answer. That is going to be 6 headers in all. So how do you get that? You don't even need to create it yourself. What you need to do, you jump on Claude or any AI tool you're comfortable with. So you paste the format, question options, 4 options and the correct answers. Just paste it in this format and say, using this format, create 20 beginner friendly questions in whatever niche or whatever subject you want in computer science for this case. So hit enter. So it's going to start generating that. Okay, so after you have your questions, you have to create whatever the file. In this case, I have a folder inside my project, my root project. I have a question folder. Then you are going to paste those questions inside that CSV file you created like this. So take note how it is being done. So this is the format, and you paste in all your questions into that file or whatever naming or strategy system you used. So after this, guys, we need to go to our project backend of our app. So we need to create that question. So I'll have to do computer science for my case, assessment. Then I need to title it based on the subject. Then again, I pick for this, it's going to be 2025/2026. Okay, so first, yes, duration. Okay, so we need to add the duration based on what you set. It's going to be 20 minutes. Then it's going to be first assessment. Then alright, so pass mark is going to be 40%. Awesome. So once you're done with that, then you create the exam. Awesome. So you could see that that exam is created here already. So we can jump back. So once you create that here at the admin panel, then once you go back and check your dashboard here in Firebase, you're going to see that that exam is going to show up. You see, this is the just created exams, and what you should do, copy the ID, because we are going to use it to log the exam or do our dry and rerun. So guys, just one last step. After you do that, you see that it is already showing in our panel our bulk created questions. There we need to do the dry run and the rerun to log the questions into our app. So the first one is the dry run. Replace what you have here with your exams ID. So this is mine. So this is the first one you're going to run. Copy all of these and copy, then go back to your, so log that. So you're going to hit enter. So guys, awesome, you could see that our dry run actually passed 20 questions validated for that exam ID. So the next we need to do a rerun. So let's do the rerun now. So do that, remove the dry, hit enter. Okay, so our 20 questions have been ported, so they are going to reflect right in our dashboard and we can use them in our application. Just before we call it a wrap, if you don't have the service-account.json file, all of this will not work. And I have a full video. That's the video that will come up next. Click on it and watch it on how to create your service account in Firebase, step-by-step guide, full video guide. I'll leave that there. So if you are building something similar, drop it in the comment section so that we interact on it. So if not, I'm going to see you right in the next video.